Hi folks, Gary here from WP Butler, Australia's home of WordPress. Today I want to introduce you to an updating technique called sandboxing. And this is the process or the maintenance process that we use over here at WP Butler. If you want to know more about our maintenance service, then head on over to wpbutler.com.au/sitecare and check out our monthly plans where we take care of it all for you. Now, even the most experienced WordPress developers can run into problems when they update plugins. So you're probably wondering why are they getting caught out? The reason is plugin incompatibility. Now, this is where a plugin created by one developer doesn't work well when installed alongside a plugin created by another developer. The plugins just don't end up playing nicely together, which can cause things to break. So to prevent things potentially breaking on the live site after doing updates, you should first test all plugin updates on a staging site, or what we call a sandbox environment. Now, if you haven't heard or you haven't come across these terms before, both of them are just simply copies of your website. Okay, so in this staging or sandbox environment, you have the opportunity to review the site and catch any errors before going live with the updates. Now, this is particularly important when running updates on an e-commerce site. Can't stress this highly enough, as any issues on an e-commerce website can in fact end up costing you sales. Now, in fact, WooCommerce, which is the most popular e-commerce platform on the planet, in fact suggests that all significant Woo updates be formed in a sandbox environment before applying the updates to the live site. So if these guys are telling you it's a good idea, you should probably take their advice. And here's another little tip about updates. Now, make sure any other website admin that has access to your site doesn't just go ahead and do the updates when they see them in the dashboard. It's best to leave the update responsibility to just one person. Now, multiple admins is a very common way that plugin updates can get out of hand and cause problems on a website. So if you want to make sure your website plugins are updated properly and to take the hassle out of website maintenance once and for all, you might just want to head on over to wpbutler.com.au/sitecare and check out our monthly plans. We'll catch you next time.